At the next meeting of the Public Accounts Committee, we'll be asking senior managers at Betsi Cadwaladr University Health Board what progress they've made in implementing the recommendations we made to them following an inquiry last year. Our work found that there were serious failings in governance and communication between senior staff at board level and on the wards. Failings which threaten to affect the delivery and the quality of health services that the people of North Wales rely upon. We concluded that the Welsh Government needed to ensure that the failings at Betsi Cadwaladr were not repeated at other health boards across the country. All of our 21 recommendations were accepted. A new leadership team is now in charge at Betsi Cadwaladr. That team has the huge task of restoring public confidence and putting in place new, robust and accountable governance systems. We've asked the Health Board back to the Senedd to tell us how much progress has actually been made. You can follow proceedings live online on Senedd TV or from the public gallery here in the Assembly. And we will also be live tweeting our meeting to let you know what's happening using the hashtag and the Twitter handle on the screen.